In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Supliful to Shopify. This integration allows you to seamlessly manage and fulfill your product orders while maintaining an efficient, organized storefront. Let's jump right in and walk through the steps to make this connection smooth and easy. First, you'll want to ensure you have accounts set up with both Supliful and Shopify. If you haven't done this yet, take a moment to create your accounts. Now, with both platforms ready, let's start by logging into your Supliful account. This platform will be essential for managing your product inventory, processing orders, and ensuring everything runs smoothly with your store's backend operations. Once you're logged into Supliful, navigate to the integration section on your dashboard. It's typically located in the menu on the left-hand side. Clicking on this will take you to a page where you can see all the available integrations that Supliful offers. Here, you'll find Shopify among the options. Click on the Connect button next to the Shopify logo. This will initiate the integration process, linking your Supliful account with your Shopify storefront. Now, you'll need to log into your Shopify account when prompted. Ensure you have your login credentials ready for this step to be as efficient as possible. After logging in, you will be redirected to an authorization page. This page ensures that you agree to grant Supliful access to certain parts of your Shopify store. It's important to review this carefully to understand what data will be shared between the two platforms. Once you've reviewed and are comfortable with the permissions, go ahead and click the Authorize button. This action allows Supliful to connect with your Shopify store and effectively manage your inventory and order fulfillment. After you've authorized the connection, Supliful will complete the integration process, which may take a moment. Once the process is complete, return to your Supliful dashboard to verify the integration was successful. You should now be able to see your Shopify store listed under Connected Integrations. Congratulations, you've now successfully linked Supliful to your Shopify store. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip: regularly check both your Supliful and Shopify dashboards. This will help ensure everything is running smoothly and allow you to quickly address any discrepancies that may arise. This connection is a powerful way to streamline your business operations, allowing you to focus more on growing your store rather than getting bogged down with administrative tasks. If at any point you encounter issues with the integration, both Supliful and Shopify provide great support to help you troubleshoot. And there you have it, Supliful and Shopify are now working together to keep your store efficient and your customers happy. Make sure to keep your product listings updated and periodically review the analytics to get the best out of this integration. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!